Good morning from the Many Glacier area of Glacier National Park. We are doing the Grinnell Glacier hike today. Really long, 11-ish mile hike around 4 different lakes: Swiftcurrent Lake, Lake Josephine, Lower Grinnell Lake, and Upper Grinnell Lake. And if we make it to Upper Grinnell Lake, then we will get to see the base of Grinnell Glacier. I'm really excited to start this trail, but both of us have injured feet, so hopefully we can make it. What was that?
My favorite hike.
We are about 3 miles into our hike and I cannot believe these views. This is like, oh my gosh. The views of Lower Grinnell Lake here are incredible. It reminds us a lot of Peyto Lake in Banff, if you're familiar with Peyto Lake. Definitely one of my top 5 hikes I've ever done in the US, just because the views are endless the whole hike. You're hesitating?
Let's go.
Oh! Didn't give you any grace there. 3, 2, 1, go. You did good. How was it?
Too cold.
You did good.
That's way too cold.
Warming up?
No.
Were you touching there?
No.
Oh wow, so it does get deep fast. Kenny's got a hack.
You gotta pack a soda and stick it in the water about 10 minutes.
Don't lose it though.
You gotta shove it underneath the rock. Like that. And it's ice cold.
I have a nice cold drink with a view.
There we go.
Although the rest of the hike up to Grinnell Glacier was definitely steep, especially the last quarter mile-ish, it was so worth it. Between the epic waterfall and the milky blue glacier water, it was definitely a sight for sore eyes and sore feet. We spent a couple hours there, had lunch, had a snack, even took a little cat nap. Kenny jumped in and he said it was freezing. I, however, was not quite brave enough. It was truly one of those views that you missed even before leaving because it was just that grand. It took us about 3.5 hours to hike up to the Upper Grinnell Glacier Lake and the Grinnell Glacier. On the way back down, it only took us about 2.5 hours, so it was much faster pace, much easier on the way down. And now we're back at the Many Glacier Hotel, looking at this incredible hotel view and exploring the Many Glacier Hotel because it is one of the most beautiful properties in this national park. Pro tip, if you want good photos of the iconic Many Glacier Hotel and the mountain in the background with the lake and some wildflowers, go up to the Many Glacier Hotel parking lot. This is the view that we're looking at up here, and it's stunning. So if you want some good photos of the hotel, of the area, that is where to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you have fun on your own glacier hike, and other than that, I'll see you in next week's video. So for now, ciao.